Um, Today I got in a car accident, and it's pretty sad because I liked my car a lot, and I didn't know how to deal with it except to cope through the majesty of song. So I wrote this song about my car accident. I had a car that was so precious to me, from the big cup holders all the way to those heated seats. It kept me warm on those cold winter drives. I'd wake up at 6 in the morning, or maybe sometimes 5. I would drive so fast, but it took so long. Usually 45 or 50 minutes passed until I get from work to home, and from home to work. And I had to do something to keep me busy, so I got myself an iPhone 4, and I play with my iPhone on the way to work and on the way back home. But I didn't know. One man stopped in front of me a little too quick, and then my car made a sound like this. Oh shit! And you can guess I hit the car in front of me, the corner of my Jetta to the corner of his Nissan 350, and he wasn't very mad, but oh, I was very sad, because the heated seats I love so much exploded with their big airbag, and all the dust flew in the air. I remember thinking, what's the smell in my burning hair? But there was no fire except the one in my heart. It sounded like it was a horrible sound. It was a horrible sound. It was a horrible sound.